In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable POP in Gmail. If you previously turned on POP and don't need it anymore, turning it off is quick and helps keep your inbox behavior consistent across devices. POP, or Post Office Protocol, is an older method that lets email apps download copies of your messages. Once it's on, some apps may pull emails and manage them locally, which can be confusing if you prefer everything to stay synced on the web. Disabling it stops future POP downloads without deleting any of your existing mail in Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear-shaped settings icon. A panel called Quick Settings appears. In that panel, click See All Settings to open the full settings view. You'll land on a page with several tabs across the top. Find and select the tab labeled Forwarding and POP's IMAP. This is where Gmail keeps the controls for both POP and IMAP. Once you're on that tab, scroll to the section called PAEE Download. If POP is currently on, you might see it set to enable POP for all mail, or enable POP for mail that arrives from now on. To turn POP off, select Disable POP in that section. After selecting Disable POP, don't forget the most important part. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail won't apply your selection until you save, so make sure you see the confirmation that your settings have been updated. That's all you need to do. From this point on, email apps configured to use POP won't be able to download new messages from your Gmail account. Existing emails that those apps already downloaded will remain where they are, and your Gmail inbox on the web stays intact. If you still use an email program set to POP, you might see error messages or failed refreshes after this change, which simply means POP access is now disabled. A few quick tips if you don't see exactly what I described. Ensure you clicked See All Settings, not just the quick panel. Confirm you're on the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab, and double check that you clicked Save Changes. Interface labels can shift slightly over time, but the general path remains the same. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same spot and re-enable POP. But for most people who rely on the web interface or use modern syncing, disabling POP helps avoid duplicate downloads and keeps your inbox consistent. And that's how you disable POP in Gmail, cleanly and confidently.